A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Prevention is Better Than Cure. So today our topic is how to calm a wet cough. So let us start our video.
Look for medication labeled expectorant if the mucus is thick or difficult to expel. This helps you remove the sludge by loosening it. A medication that dries you out, like cough syrup, may be more effective if you have post-nasal drip and loads of juicy mucus pseudoephedrine. Call your doctor if you develop a cough along with a fever or shortness of breath. Additionally, consult them before using cough medicine for serious diseases including emphysema, pneumonia, chronic bronchitis, or asthma. Additionally, young children under the age of 4 should not receive cough and cold medications.